water. We're gonna mix the water.
You need my help? I'll help you.
Okay, next we need the glue. Yeah, over there. Big one. Yeah. Perfect. Okay.
And don't forget your colors.
Okay. And the colors. Take one.
Okay, yeah.
Now we're gonna have this. We're using the Nivea.
We put some
It's a
foam.
foam. We're gonna put it in the glue.
Get the color. Ah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay, we're gonna mix. Help me. Here, you use your chopstick. Mix it together. Ten drops? Yes. No, just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna mix it again. Careful mixing. And now we're gonna put the color. Which one do you want? We have pink and purple. Purple!
Okay.
We're gonna take the purple. Mixing all together. Okay, mixing all together. Color. Okay, open the color.
Slowly.
Slowly.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay. Killing them. Killing them. Okay, it's turning into purple now. You want more? More purple?
Hey, faster, harder.
Little by little. We're gonna mix. Oh my goodness. Careful, just do it carefully.
Wanna use your hands?
Okay, let's get take off all the water first.
One good squish. You don't want to use your hands? No? Why?
Why?
It's yucky. But you have to play with it now. Yeah. Oh, let's use your hands. Like that. Squish it. Ah, look, it's slide. Keep squishing it. Your other hand. Wow. What's this? Now, we can take the bowl away. You have to keep folding it. It's not slime yet. Squish, squish, squish. Okay. Wow. Yeah, oh, yeah. Put it there. Squish it. So, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Forget to